Hey guys, your girl here, Tanisha at workwithtanisha.com. So I'm going to tell you about the Get Fit Kit. The Get Fit Kit. So I'm going to show you guys the Get Fit Kit, okay, by Total Life Changes. The Get Fit Kit by Total Life Changes. One NRG, about 5 packs of tea, okay, and NutriBurst, okay. So all of these is what you will get. These will be your products that you get that will come to your home. You get 5 packs of tea, 1 bottle of NRG, and a NutriBurst. The NutriBurst can be taken every single day. You and your children can take this NutriBurst, okay? You and your children can drink the tea. Here's the thought process, guys, that this is allowing you to feel lighter, right? To feel better, okay? To think, because this also, these two, all of them together, also help you have mental clarity. Because when you do a detox, guys, by default, okay, you get rid of the fumes in your body, the fumes that go up to your brain. So you can actually think. Did you know that? Then you can actually think, okay? I remember when I first started drinking this tea, and I used to always have migraines. And I used to say, well, damn, I got these migraines. I don't know how. I don't know why. And I used to be 350 pounds. And I was like, well, why the fuck do I got all these migraines and shit? I went to the doctor. They gave me some type of pills or whatever. That didn't work. So thank God my friend, she introduced me to the tea. And she said, take a look at the tea. She said, get you a month supply, drink it. I just listened to her. I didn't really do no research on the tea or nothing. I just said, okay, I trust her. Let me get it, boil it. No lie. Within 24 hours, guys, I went to the bathroom. I drunk it again, went to the bathroom again, drunk it the next day, went to the bathroom again. I said, yo, this tea is the shit. I said, let me Google, let me research this. Started researching this, started seeing what people were saying. People were losing weight, people were losing 5 pounds in 5 days. People was having all kind of energy. People were getting rid of migraines. People were feeling better. They was having mental clarity. I said, wait, hold on. Because I know I drank this tea in 24 hours. I was going to the bathroom and I had constipation issues. I was like, wow. This tea is real. And I tell you, and I kid you not, guys, no lie, not making any medical claims. Within 2 weeks, I didn't have any more migraines. Because now I was able to release parasites, and I saw the parasites in the bathroom. When I went to the toilet, I saw the little white little parasites. It's nasty. So I'm glad they're out of me, okay? Because we got 60 pounds of parasites in us, right? So I'm glad that shit is out. If you never did a detox, guys, you have parasites swimming around in you, right? So that means you're more prone to conditions and diseases when you don't detox your body. I didn't know this before I got involved with TLC. I didn't know that you could do a daily detox. I thought detoxing was like once a year or once or twice a year. I didn't know you could detox every day. Think about it. We eat every day. We eat every single day. We drink every single day. We inhale and we breathe every day. So when we breathe and we go out and we take the train and we take the bus and we take in our car, we're inhaling toxins. Every day that we eat, guess what? The food has parasites and slugs, right? Imagine if you learned this in health class. A lot of people wouldn't have cancer. A lot of people wouldn't have diabetes. A lot of people wouldn't have high blood pressure because all these diseases come from the food. But when you detox daily, guys, I am condition free. I am disease free. And I'm going to stay like that, right? Before TLC, my blood level, right, for being prone to diabetes, I think my blood level was like a 5.7. Because my doctor said it's between 4 and 5.6, which is the normal, right? Once it goes to like 6.5, that means you have diabetes. So when I was 350 pounds, my blood was like a 5.7. Guys, I've been drinking this tea, okay? Going on 3 years now, okay? And now my level now is normal, okay? It's like a 5.4 right now. The normal is between 4.0 and 5.6 or 5.5, right? I would think I was a point up. And now it's normal. She was like, oh, continue doing what you're doing, right? So I'm not making medical claims. I'm not saying we cure nothing because I know the government You know, they're probably watching, you know, to see what people are saying about TLC, right? But we don't make no medical claims, guys. But my personal testimony, guys, I lost weight. I don't have any more migraines. I'm not constipated anymore. I can actually sleep like a baby. I can drink this hot at night and sleep like a baby. If I have low energy, I can take this instead of a Red Bull or a Monster drink that has issues and has stuff inside of it. That's no good for us anyway. I take vitamins, guys, that flows through my body so my blood is flowing well. People that got high blood pressure, their blood ain't flowing well. You need NutriBurst, guys. You need energy. You need mental clarity, guys. So get the Get Fit Kit, okay, with TLC 50, so like $150, right? You get 5 packs of tea, okay, you get a bottle of NRG, and guess what, guys? You get some NRG, okay, guys? So invest in the construction of your health, okay? Because I'm gonna tell you this, guys. If I did not find TLC, I'd probably be 400 pounds right now. If I didn't find TLC, guys, I'd probably be way bigger than I am now because all I was doing was working from home, sitting on the couch, eating. I wasn't really into health. Now, thank God for TLC because now I'm into health, okay? I'm into getting healthy. I'm into getting wealthy, okay? I'm into winning, right? I'm into helping others like you who's saying, I'm looking for a tea or I'm looking for some good energy supplements that can help me, right? And also, too, my daughter sells bracelets, all kind of bracelets. So if you go to my website and you just want to try the tea, okay, you told me you watched this video all the way to the 7 minutes or 8 minutes, and you buy 2 packs, I'm going to send you 1 free. Isn't that amazing? I'm going to send you 1 free, and I'm going to send you 1 bracelet for free, too. Isn't that generous of me? Isn't that nice of me? Okay? So, you pay for this, and you get this. Okay? This is damn near $100 value, right? For only 2, right? Now, here's the kicker. If you buy 3, I'm going to send you if you buy 3, I'm going to send you 2 more. So buy 3, get 2 free. Buy 3, get 2 free. Okay? Buy 2, get 1 free plus a bracelet. And these bracelets are $10 a piece, or you get 4 for $30. Click on the link below, guys. Get yourself together. Start going to the bathroom. Start feeling better. Start having more energy, guys, so you can live longer. Simple as that, guys. We want you to be healthy. See you soon.